Friends, in this video we're going to look at definition of the radar and block diagram explanation. So definition of the radar is given by, as I mentioned on the board, it's an equipment used to detect the presence of objects by just reflecting the EM energy or EM waves into the space and thereby measuring the direction, distance and speed of the objects. So if you can see the block diagram, it consists of transmitter, duplexer, receiver and PPI or display, pulse position indicator, and an antenna and an object. Here object is considered to be the aircraft. Okay. Now we are going to discuss about each and every block and how it works. Now transmitter, when it comes to transmitter, is used to produce the short duration of high power pulses. Actually it is RF pulses, radio frequency pulses. Whenever the transmitter produces these pulses, the next part of the transmitter is duplexer. Duplexer receives these pulses and this duplexer switches the transmitter antenna and thereby sends it to the antenna. Antenna radiates this energy to the aircraft. See here, duplexer is used. Main use of duplexer here is it is used for switching the transmitter antenna and receiver antenna. As we have transmitter and receiver, okay, on both the sides of the duplexer, when you want to radiate or when you want to send EM energy through space, this duplexer acts as a switch and it maintains the receiver duplexer off and it makes the transmitter antenna to on, thereby radiating the EM energy to aircraft. Okay, so the path for the transmission will be like transmitter, then to duplexer, then duplexer to antenna, antenna to the target. Okay, once the EM wave, EM wave is stuck to the object or object receives this EM wave, as the object is non-directional, it radiates in all possible directions. Some part of the energy reflected to the receiver antenna, thereby from the receiver it is indicated in the display. Here another most important property of duplexer is it is used to avoid high power pulses of transmitter going into the receiver, thereby destroying the receiver. Okay, like it only allows one at a time. It only allows one antenna, either transmitter antenna or receiver antenna, to activate, and it deactivates the other antenna. Okay, now the receiving path will be like aircraft or the target, from there to duplexer, there to receiver, there to PPI, pulse position indicator. Here the main cause of importance of receiver is that receiver amplifies and demodulates the RF signal and provides video signals at output. Okay, output video signals will be like seen on the display. Actually the display will be used for direction of how the display will be used is it is direction of deflection on the screen is that in which the antenna is currently pointing. The deflection shown by the deflection shown in the display will be the antenna direction currently pointing then. Okay, this is how a radar works, and this is the explanation of block diagram. I hope you all understood this. Thank you.